Northern Ghana diaspora community in USA would like to invite you to participate in the coronation of Sirina Isa Bansina Beponga as North America GUNDO-NAA Chicago team, fostering unity among Northern Ghanaians in the diaspora community in the US. And it will happen on the 13th of October and 14th. US Korean nang balaka enzan pe katega Kaman how program bo no program yung pa ka bo no kumiro tong da ko bo hana bonlu na pa kama fas la nyele zang changbe kala ka bo no la kumiro tong na katong na bo hana bon la lu ngama ngune ana dana pa ando abi debga kamatum fo mal trana sham abu no programs o ya song yel be dia nyela dem melga biya go biya ke katien ka at zamleta ye Kaman how kala yen non ten yel sham karanto zo kat am boala sham te gba bebel hankal ten zang en yul yel sham katien yela ngoma kan yara anya disclaimer before kan yela ye to anya new to this channel think ka subscribe ka de biele anytime got to drop her also contents like this anya one of the people bayan yara disclaimer ayeto akan yelngoma ya this episode is for educational purpose only, just to educate people on the small knowledge about Dagbon kingdom, Dagbon culture and our tradition. Tun kana pale shambe tun wumle sham diye to akati en yele kama sirina to angoma le che karien le kama tebe example. So we are not against any on this coronation. I took by your medical, but the caravan some share nyala something like tea and yellow. And even Kanazan Peka before can yell the to our call and be Malik, Big Malik, like severally, like 2 times in yellow the to our Masirina Dalan Cheka so cat visit Makati yell about previous program problem later and call over Cavenue. So like yes, educational purpose only. She's our mother. We are not against editing on Kaman how programs. So the camera to will come out these days. The nama we Dagbon nama. Benta telesham. I am telling the years one. Ka yap to male beti yon lantum male. Oh na. Bio nazo kanazo ma chante pigo wula na nazo ma empile o diamana ko diamana ma malo zachi ko zachi ma malo wula na ko wula ma malo kukona. So like the custom so like kukona yo ko pigo pambala bio nazo o gwen chante ne nazo wula na nazo zachi la nyele karcheka like nama dilan kadarza kama tenda wumdele betinda nyarasham and like the recently tenye nang dia gafara like te mabishaba kama te min bane be biya go funa ka to kurtelar karnya na wonan dam bane be dala fe biya karate ko jia kama akunya fongone izan be like bit so nam fongone be izan abillahu chankap to nam like all sort of things for educational purpose only unkubo am na idea. I'm not against any of them. Coming to Masirina coronation, Mama, like looking at the title, there are some titles in Dagbon kingdom. Doctor Nyedbai, Tum Wum Shambetin Yalisha. Come example, Tokuto Male Ashama Yana, Wulia Yana. I don't think something can be like that. Tumala shama dagwamana wula dagwamana tungo gashia be tamale be tukto me tamale na yana bumle yana be gatamala Cote d'Ivoire yana. I don't think we can have such a thing. Coming to GUNDO-NAA, like the history of GUNDO is as yana before on side be one and then next to Yandibu, but she being a woman be onye pamazo karacheka bazangundo amatu ya karze ya nyingba nye pa yana. So GUNDO-NAA is just like yani example, but pa yana. So I don't think it will be like the non-vein yalanga like the nama yuma yan gundo amar kutune respected to an extent kasokuto be shell polo kabondo ya kabondo kama wale be kabondo ya cherpene yan cherpen GUNDO-NAA ashama GUNDO-NAA kuma GUNDO-NAA like no ya na be na bi ponse na ma biane kama ben to ya kuma kpatuya anyele ya na bi ponse na ma biane na pa ben dir shama but this GUNDO-NAA naming it like Chicago GUNDO-NAA like the mother like maybe the mala Kaman how programs or tinye karman the shift ya biela kachi Dagbon to benne chansham. So like they could have just named it Kamata Mika Chicago map from Male Dagbon. Like we could have say kama Chicago Gajia be Dagbon Gajia be Chicago kama Patuya. Just simple, don't go kind of to yell to Ashelum, but the any further discussion Katien on dialect and yes an idea, be suggestion can pop up about coronating Masirina as Chicago GUNDO-NAA. GUNDO is just like Yani. So these two titles we should protect its brand. Karabed nang tele kama diamana sang diamana tama diamana kakpa diamana yapule diamana kyongo zachi like we should protect la nama karama the respect shele kama we should hold them high esteem like to bubba style karsha no akuto be shepolo akuto ku be shepolo ka obala Chicago ya nasham the two net man ma side ma ka to protect le karba za to ma gundo a shepolo lam pai tam Michelle ngoma Kaman how programs or 3 year like for educational purpose only even Mayiko we could have fly to Chicago like to grace the occasion but takunyama kama the mala gundo ama the wetcha then film the value share them mad Dagbon be the mal projector dunia za shama kama dunia za mean kama like we never had Queen Elizabeth of America or Queen Elizabeth of Sepul, but you never hear, excuse me to use like the Ashanti Hine of Accra or Ashanti Hine of Tamale. Beka kama Ashanti himma like but na be put on the highest one, you not hear it. Tongo Ashanti himma be tongo. So yes, for educational purpose, can come and house on the say about la short coronation wama kasur now checker. This coronation karanong is successful one. Katet mama zoko she shall be in zang we respect and cherish you. Kaza chong was on the person term masirina. Yusuf Abu Turzon on your producers ante a common how programs or Kabiru Jato ngonza Kaman nyanga Abdul Basit Kuchire akolana as always. I are new to this channel, think and subscribe. Cut the bell party anytime cut drop new contents and you're one of the people by your notification first. Kaji hayu karna pasoka masala. Kaman how? Wula kenyevenya adanka yetum la 247.